In the given question, we have to calculate amount of carbon dioxide that could be produced when three conditions are given, and we have to calculate amount of carbon dioxide produced in each case. So before doing any calculation, we should know the atomic numbers and the mass number of element which we are going to use, and with the help of these we can calculate the molar masses of molecules, that is carbon dioxide and oxygen. So according to the first condition, 1 mole of carbon is burnt in air. Burnt in air means we have sufficient supply or excess of oxygen. Now according to the balanced chemical equation, when 1 mole of carbon burns in the presence of 1 mole of oxygen, we will get 1 mole of carbon dioxide. 1 mole of carbon means 12 grams of carbon. This is the molar mass. And 1 mole of oxygen means 32 grams of oxygen. This is molar mass of oxygen. And 1 mole of carbon dioxide means 44 grams of carbon dioxide. This is the molar mass of carbon dioxide. So this is the amount of carbon dioxide produced. Now according to the second condition, 1 mole of carbon is burnt in 16 grams of dioxygen. So from balanced equation, we know 1 mole of carbon for complete combustion requires 1 mole of oxygen to give 1 mole of carbon dioxide. Here 1 mole of carbon is burning in the presence of 16 grams of oxygen. 16 gram means half mole of oxygen. So this half mole will bring about combustion of only half mole of carbon to give half mole of carbon dioxide, which is equal to 22 gram. So this is the answer for second part. Now according to third condition, 2 moles of carbon is burnt in 16 grams of dioxygen. So again we know that 1 mole of carbon requires 1 mole of oxygen to produce 1 mole of carbon dioxide. Here we are using 2 moles of carbon but 16 grams of oxygen, which is equal to half mole of oxygen, because 1 mole is 32. So therefore this half mole will interact with only half mole of carbon to give half mole of carbon dioxide gas, which is again 22 grams.